Yizzo, what's up, y'all? You already know what it's hitting for today. Out here, it's like 50 degrees, 52 degrees. It's nice as crap. Popped out with the little helmet on today, you know what I'm saying? Little snowboard jacket, because the weather been a little crazy, but I like this jacket because, you know what I mean, it's all weather, man. Whatever you got on, you know what I mean, you gonna get through the day with it. Little DC jacket. Go ahead to that new spot I found, little trail. I mean, it's new to me. Ain't new to nobody else, but gonna check it out. See what it's hitting for. I think it's over here somewhere. I can't really. All right, I think it's straight ahead. Yeah, I think it's straight. I think I'm in the right position. All right, y'all. This little new spot I found. I ain't never been back here. Gladstone Park, Yellowstone, Gladstone, something like that. Oh, I ain't coming over here. Yeah, I like the tune way better. It's way better from the last time. I think Blue in there smoking. I ain't mad at him. Yeah, that's where my aunt lives, exactly. Right through the... Just came from this little trail. Slow trizzy. See, that's the good thing about these electric drones. You can go everywhere. Motherfuckers really don't be paying you no mind. I mean, sometimes there's some cops that might be on some bullshit. But for the most part, chilling. Alright, y'all, we headed back to the crib with it. You know what I'm saying? I feel as though I might have to tighten up, get back to the crib.